Good morning, students. Well, in continuation with the chapter Measures of Dispersion, where in my previous video I have explained you how to calculate range and coefficient of range by individual series. So today we will be doing how to calculate range and coefficient of range by discrete frequency series, or you can also say frequency array and range. Now children, if you see over here, there is a data which has been given where we have a size as well as the frequency. So with the help of this data, I am going to explain you how we are going to calculate range and coefficient of range by discrete frequency series. So the size which has been given over here is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 18. And the frequency which has been given to us is 1, 13, 24, 14, 15, 13, 16 and 20. Now here you have to remember one thing, that is, in discrete series, while we have to determine the range and coefficient of range, then what we are going to do is we are going to determine that both range and coefficient of range by taking the difference between the highest and the lowest value of the series. That means we are going to take the highest and lowest value from this series. Frequency of the series will not be taken into account. That means that you are going to take the highest value and the lowest value from the size which has been given over here, not from the frequency. Remember this, children. So if you see this size, then the highest value in this series is 18 and the lowest value in this series is 10. So if you see, I have written over here highest value 18 and lowest value 10. Now what we are going to do, as we have to calculate range, so what we'll do, we are going to put the formula for range. So you all remember, formula of range is R equals to H minus L, where H is highest value, L is the lowest value. So our highest value is 18. So 18 minus lowest value is 10 and we get the range as 8. Right? Now similarly we are going to calculate the coefficient of range. You know the formula of coefficient of range, that is CR equals to H minus L upon H plus L. Again children, your H is 18 minus L is 10 upon again H is 18 plus L is 10. So 18 minus 10, that comes to 8, and 18 plus 10, that comes to 28. So if you divide 8 from 28, your coefficient of range is 0.29. So this is how you can calculate range and coefficient of range by discrete frequency series. Right? Now the next thing which we are going to do is how to calculate range and coefficient of range by frequency distribution series. Now to explain you, again I have taken one example over here where the data goes like this, that we have a size and a frequency, and the size is 5:10, then 10:15, 15:20, 20:25 and 25:30, and your frequency is 4, 9, 15, 30 and 40, and you have to find out range and coefficient of range. Now children, here once again you have to remember one thing, that is, while calculating the range or coefficient of range, again we will not take the highest and the lowest value to be as a frequency. Rather what we will be doing is we are going to find out the mid value. So if you see, I have drawn a table over there with the 3 columns. That is, on left hand side you have a size, then you have a mid value, and then you have a frequency. So size we will write again 5:10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25 and 25 to 30. Now we have to take out the mid value of this. Now to take out the mid value, you all remember already in my previous video I have explained you how do we calculate the mid value. Anyways, again I am telling you, to find out the mid value, what you will be doing, your size is 5:10. So children, what you will be doing it, you are going to add 5 plus 10. That means 5 plus 10 comes to 15, right? And then that 15 has to be divided by 2. So when you divide 15 by 2, you get 7.5, which is the mid value between 5 is to 10. Similarly, 10 is to 15, you add, that comes to 25, and you divide it by 2 and your mid value comes to 12.5. Similarly, with 15 is to 20 and then 35 and your mid value comes to 17.5. Similarly, 20 to 25 you add, that comes to 45 and your mid value is 22.5, and 25 is to 30, that comes to 55 and your mid value is 27.5. So children, this is how you are able to find out your mid value. And then on the right hand side I have written the frequency, that is 4, 9, 15, 30 and 40. Now your highest and the lowest value you will be taking from the mid value, not from the frequency. Children, remember this. If you are going to do it from the frequency, then it will be a wrong way of calculating range. So if you see the mid value, the highest value is 27.5, which I have written on the left hand side, and the lowest value is 7.5, which again I have written. Now what you have to do is, you have to put these figures into a formula, and the formula for range is again R equals to H minus L, where H is 27.5 and L is 7.5. So if you deduct, you get 20. So your range is 20. And if you talk about CR, that is coefficient of range, again the formula is H minus L upon H plus L. So CR is H is 27.5 minus L is 7.5 upon again 27.5 plus 7.5. And you get CR as 20 upon 35. So when you divide 20 from 35, you get 0.57. This 0.57 is your CR, that is coefficient of range. So this is how you are able to calculate range and coefficient of range by discrete frequency series and frequency distribution series.